Hi, hello guys. Welcome to AGV Walklots. Especially ఈ వీడియో ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నానంటే for the people who are traveling from India to Bangkok, especially from the Chennai embassy, and what are the processes that takes place, and how will be the hotel, what are the amenities in the hotel, and also I think you must be very much uncomfortable with the surrounding noise you are getting right now. Hope you understand. Right now I am in Vijayawada traveling to Chennai. You may be traveling from different parts of South India to Chennai. So if you are traveling to Chennai to board this embassy flight, you must have some procedures, and also if you are applied to this flight, how will be the traveling and what are the process that takes place in the 2 days from the Chennai flight అనేది నేను మీకు చూపిస్తాను. I will show you that. There will be a lot of noise, so I will meet you in the hotel room. The people watching this video will be understanding English, so I am doing this video in English. Regularly I do travel videos in Telugu, but I am doing this video because I wanted to know what are the processes looks like before I am traveling. Before I am traveling, I wanted to know what it looks like being here in Chennai for embassy's flight and going to Thailand. So I wanted to show all that process, not all that process, some of that process, and give you an idea. So that's why I am doing this video. So guys, let me show you the room. This is the washroom. Obviously we need to show the washroom first of all. So this will be the bathtub. I'll not show that. Okay, so this is the washroom, this is the entrance, and the room looks like this today. Extraordinarily well furnished. So we'll have a TV also, some couch area, nice ambience, and big mirror. And now you can see this is the view. Kya baat hai. First thing we need to do after seeing such bed is that jump like this. Super. So on the first day you will get a complimentary breakfast like this. So if you are a vegetarian, you will get this type of breakfast, like with bread, jam and all. If you are non-veg, I don't know what you will get. So this will be the breakfast for the first day when you enter the hotel. This food tastes good actually, but this is a typical South Indian food. It would be great they are hot. They are not as hot as we expect. In the lobby you will be given this type of documents like fit to travel medical certificate and the T8 form from the Thai national government, and also the local Chennai government's contact tracing form will be given. So after the breakfast we have been asked to come to the particular place in the hotel for the tests. They will divide some batches from 80 people or 90 people in the list. They'll assign a batch for us, and we need to go to that particular point at that particular time we are supposed to go by filling all these type of forms. So after filling all these forms, we will go there and our test will be done. And also if you wanted to apply for visa, then you should take 5,000 rupees of cash in hand with the required documents like a bank statement and all other documents like if you are a student certificate, if you are working work permit and other documents which are required for visa. So you need to carry all those documents with these given forms to the particular place which you are being asked to come. Then you will be done with a COVID test. And still I am waiting for my turn to get the COVID test done. Once the COVID test is done, I'll update you the other information. Thank you. So welcome back to day 1 after COVID test. So they will be dividing 3 particular batches or 4 particular batches and call their names and segregate them, and they'll intimate in the group to where to come. Once you go there, there'll be 4 or 5 counters. In the first counter, you will be asked to check your name and surname. The perfection of your spellings and everything will be checked. So in the second counter, they will check your blood pressure, BP, pulse. They'll check your SpO2 levels, and after second counter you will be going to the third counter where a doctor, a physician will make you a regular checkup, like if you have any asthma or have you been exposed to COVID earlier or any symptoms of COVID in last 2 weeks. All these things they will ask, that particular doctor will ask in the third counter. And after that doctor clearing your perfection of your health, she will be directing you to the fourth counter where you will give the declaration form that you are accepting COVID test. So then they will give you a vial which contains some liquid. I don't know which liquid is that, and you should carry that particular liquid vial to the person who is in the PPE kit. He will be waiting for you to get tested. So once you go there, he will put a swab in your nose and also a swab in your mouth also. So he will take those 2 samples, and next part is that you get sanitized and you will be entered into the final counter, that is a 5th counter, where they will check all your documents like passport, and if you are willing to get a visa, you should pay the 5,000. They will be asking you to pay there, and also they will be checking your insurance copies, insurance of COVID-19 and everything. And finally they will give you the fit to fly certificate, and they'll arrange all those certificates in an order and ask you to keep them safely with you. So that is the final thing. In each and every counter there will be a serial number for you particularly. That particular serial number is universal for each and every counter. For suppose my number is 7, so at counter 1 I should check for the number 7 and get the sign done. At counter 2 also check the number and get the sign done. Likewise, each and every counter your name will be there. You should get checked at each and every counter. So that will be the process of COVID test. We are still in India, so you need to give Indian food, right? Once you go to Thailand, you may expect Thai food, but we are still in India, so it is better if they give Indian food like curd rice or something. But anyways, that's what it is. Actually 3 days you will be here. My flight is on 9th, but I was called on 6th of December. So 6th, today it is going to be like COVID test and everything. 7th completely it is going to be rest. One important thing is that you are not allowed outside of your hotel. So that is the strict rule they have told for us. Once you have given the sample, you should remain in your room, it seems. And the third day on 8th, your test results will be out. If your result is negative, you are going to pack the bags and go to the airport.
The next day.
So welcome to day 3 of Chennai to Thailand via Royal Thai Consulate General's flight. Today on the third day, the second day is obviously a free day. I just received the message at 2 o'clock. We'll be getting our documents like COE, that is Certificate of Entry. That document and also our flight tickets and all everything we will get today at 2 o'clock. The time is right now 12:44. Get fresh up and go to level 21, which is to go to the downstairs and go on to another block floor to collect these documents. Right now we are at the ground floor and we need to go to the 21st floor to collect the COE and the passport and visa if you are applying for visa and all. So I'll take all of them and update you the rest of the process. So just now came back from the level 21 where we get our passport, our COE and also our visa if we are applying for visa. So you will receive all your documents and also a kit from Royal Thai Embassy. I think there will be masks and some PPE, no not PPE, some masks and face shield, I don't know. Once I'll open it and I'll show you afterwards. First of all, I need to scan these documents and send to my college. So meet you after that. So now let us check what is there in the bag which is given by Royal Thai Consulate General. Okay, there is a pair of masks. There is a Britannia milk biscuit packet. So these are baby wipes. Why did they give? I don't know. Okay, no problem. Okay, this is a blueberry drink, hand tissues, sanitizer, Lifebuoy sanitizer, a vegetarian tom yum flavored instant noodles. I don't know how it will taste. One more thing, the face shield. So these are the things we are getting.
Later that same evening.
Good evening. From day 3, bags everything are packed, waiting for the food to be delivered. Once the food arrives, completing it and going down to the lobby, checking out the room and boarding the first bus, because I am in the first batch which leaves at 8 o'clock. Right now the time is it's 7 o'clock in the evening and I'm ready, all set. So just now the food has arrived. Want to see what they gave? Some fruits, a samosa, chutney and noodles. Vegetarians, you are going to suffer a lot.
12 o'clock midnight. Much later.
Once you reach Thailand, they ask us to sit in these chairs. Rest of the thing they will tell you what to do.
7:59 a.m.